TE Connectivity is now offering PCIe Generation 5 Chem connectors, the next generation of PCI and PCI Express connectors perfect for future processors requiring high data rates. The PCI Generation 5 Chem connector is your next step to best-in-class high-speed performance for better system application scaling and higher bandwidth. Featuring a 1mm pitch to enable all generations of PCI Express signaling designs and support speeds of 2.5 to 32 gigatransfers per second. Expect reliability at the forefront of high-speed signal integrity. The PCIe Generation 5 Chem connector is your one-stop-shop solution with a broad portfolio and user-friendly design. The footprint and mating interfaces are completely backward compatible with capabilities of integrating into your current applications and multiple configurations to fulfill various applications. Applications range from servers, storage, workstations, embedded systems, and more. You have even more options with the SMT Slim housing to accommodate tight PCB spaces. The two solder tab design fitted for 1.9mm or 1.5mm length and post, and the two solder tab fitted for 2.76mm length with no post, optimal for scenarios with the riser card and heavy add-in card application. Expect quick delivery and response with flexible small quantity sampling, stable mass production, a broad global distribution network, and hands-on global sales and technical support. In addition, the PCIe Generation 5 Chem connector is RoHS compliant with low halogen housing material utilization, offering the best in environmental sustainability. With the combined offerings of TE Connectivity's processor sockets and DDR sockets, the Data and Devices business unit offers a total solution, delivering higher reliability, quality, and consistency. Learn more at te.com.